Go. Mila. Mila!
Give me.
Is it sour? Uh-oh, where'd it go? You need a new one? Give her a new one. She dropped hers. Give her one.
I don't want to.
Oh, here it is still. There you go. Okay, eat it.
Hey, I'm Dash, and you're...
What are you playing over there, Bobby? Stella, eat it. Put it all in your mouth. Ah, yum. Chew it up.
Great big sandcastle.
Stella.
Wait to go outside.
Stella, look at Mommy. How is it? Good?
I did 2 lids.
Sour. Say yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Where's your tummy? Yeah.